Okay, so I want you to imagine that your lecturer has given you the name of a book and a journal article to begin reading for your assignment, and just a reminder, the title's above there for you. And I'm going to show you how to use the University of Reading Library database to find this book and journal article. You also decide perhaps that you want to find a definition of poverty for your assignment, and I'm going to show you how to use one of the University of Reading online encyclopedias for this. And here's the link that is going to enable you to access the database. Here we go. So I'm putting in theories and practice of development. I'll put in the name Willis, and I'll see if I can get that book to come up. Okay, good. So you can see here there's an e-resource for that book. If you don't want to go to the library and find it, you can look at it on your computer. Or you can see here there's an actual book published in 2011, and then one underneath published in 2005. So what I'd prefer to do if I was a student is to get the latest version. So I'm going to click on this one, and with any luck it'll tell me what books are in. So you can see they've got quite a lot of copies of this book, and most of them are 7-day loan. Two of them are standard loan, which is a longer loan than just a week, and there's also a 6-hour loan. So it tells me where to go in the library to get it. So if I wanted this 7-day loan, for example, that would be the number I'd have to look at on the spine of the book, and this would be where I would locate it on the 4th floor. Now I'm going to show you how to find a journal article. Now for journal articles, let's go back a bit. We're going to use the Summon Discovery Service, not the Enterprise Catalogue, because the Summon is a quick way to get to journal articles. And I know that the journal article that the lecturer has given you, for example, is Going Global in Groups. So let's type that in. Let's try with just the title here. Search, there we go. So here's the journal article, and I want to read it online. So it's going to get connected to the database I need. I'm probably going to have to put in my username and password here. Here we go. So I'll put mine in, and we'll expect to see it in a minute. So here it is. This is the article. I can download the PDF by clicking here, and I can save it, or I can just read it online. But this is the article. As you can see, it was quite easy to find. Okay, so one more thing is we want to get an encyclopedia from the University of Reading Library. It's best to use online encyclopedias that the university trusts and recommends. So I'm going to go here to Online Dictionaries and Encyclopedias. I'm going to click on Credo Reference. That's just one of the encyclopedias. I'm on campus, so I'm going to click this link here. I don't need my username and password because I'm on the campus. And I'm going to type in here what I want. I want a definition of poverty. And I seem to remember the one I found for your assignment that I preferred was this one, absolute poverty. Okay, so this is the entry that you've got that's called absolute poverty. So I've shown you a little introduction to how to find a book, how to find a journal article, and how to find an encyclopedia entry. When you arrive, you'll have a much more extensive induction to how to use the library resources, but we're going to leave it at that for the moment.